Hey everyone, welcome back to Page Pulse. Today we're diving back into the world of Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This is a part 2 of this book summary. Section 1, Setting the Stage, Revisiting Rich Dad Poor Dad. This book challenges conventional wisdom about money and provides a blueprint for achieving financial freedom. Section 2, The Power of Mindset, Shifting from Employee to Entrepreneur. One of the most powerful takeaways from Rich Dad Poor Dad is adopting an entrepreneurial mindset. It's about changing your perspective on money, work, and risk. Recognize opportunities, take calculated risks, and create value that generates income. Entrepreneurs build wealth by creating assets that generate income even while they sleep. This shift in mindset is fundamental. Let's dive into the specific strategies that will make this transformation possible. Section 1, The Money-Making Mindset. It's not about how much you earn. Rich Dad Poor Dad teaches that it's not how much money you make, but how much you keep, and how hard that money works for you. Many people chase higher salaries, but without financial literacy, a high income can be outstripped by high expenses. Focus on building wealth by acquiring assets, things that put money in your pockets. True wealth is measured by the freedom it affords you, and that, my friends, is priceless. Section 2, Understanding Assets versus Liabilities, the Foundation of Wealth. One of the most crucial concepts in Rich Dad Poor Dad is the distinction between assets and liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes money out. True assets generate income even while you sleep. Think rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or a business that generates profits. By understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, you can start making informed financial decisions. The goal is to have your money work harder than you do. Section 3, Putting your money to work, the power of investing. Once you understand the importance of acquiring assets, the next step is putting your money to work through investing. Investing allows your money to generate income and grow your wealth over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. By educating yourself about different investment options, you can harness the power of investing to grow your wealth. Section 4, Overcoming Fear and Inaction, Taking Control of Your Financial Future. One of the biggest obstacles to financial success is fear. Rich Dad Poor Dad encourages us to confront these fears and embrace financial education. Knowledge is power, and in finance, it's the key to overcoming fear and making informed decisions. Take control, educate yourself, and never stop learning and growing. Section 1, Why Real Estate? Understanding the allure of bricks and mortar. Rich Dad Poor Dad places a strong emphasis on real estate as a powerful wealth-building tool. Real estate is tangible and provides a sense of security and control. It's about generating passive income, building equity, and leveraging your investments for greater returns. Real estate, when done right, can be a cash flow machine. With the power of leverage, you can significantly accelerate your wealth-building journey. Section 2, The Pillars of Real Estate Investing, Cash Flow. Appreciation and leverage. To truly understand the potential of real estate, grasp its 3 fundamental pillars: cash flow, appreciation, and leverage. Positive cash flow means the property is putting money in your pocket every month. Appreciation builds equity in your property, increasing your net worth. Leverage allows you to control a large asset with a relatively small amount of your own money. These 3 pillars create a powerful wealth-building trifecta. Section 3, Spotting the Diamond in the Rough, Identifying Profitable Real Estate Opportunities. Finding profitable real estate opportunities requires a keen eye for value and a solid understanding of market trends. Start by identifying your target market and doing your research. Look for areas with strong rental demand, job growth, and a track record of appreciation. When evaluating potential properties, consider the property's condition, potential for renovation, and rental income potential. Knowledge is your most valuable asset in real estate investing. Section 4, Mastering the Game, Essential Tips for Real Estate Success. Embarking on your real estate journey can be exciting, but it's essential to enter the game prepared. Education is key. Never stop learning. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with reliable professionals. Master your finances. Understand different financing options and maintain a healthy credit score. Patience is a virtue. Finding the right property takes time. Real estate investing requires dedication, resilience, and a long-term perspective. Section 1, Building Your Empire, the importance of acquiring assets. Rich Dad, Poor Dad emphasizes that true wealth is about building an empire of income-generating assets. Each asset you acquire acts as a brick in your financial fortress. Diversify your asset portfolio to mitigate risk and create multiple streams of income. Building an asset empire takes time and consistent effort. With each strategic acquisition, you're one step closer to achieving financial independence. Section 2, Beyond Bricks and Mortar, Diversifying Your Asset Portfolio. While Rich Dad, Poor Dad highlights the power of real estate, it also emphasizes the importance of diversification. Explore different investment avenues to create a well-rounded portfolio. Consider stocks, bonds, precious metals, and businesses. Diversification spreads your risk and maximizes your return potential. By strategically allocating your investments, you create a more resilient portfolio. Section 3, Safeguarding Your Wealth, the importance of financial literacy and risk management. Building wealth is only half the battle. Protecting it is equally crucial. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. Risk management involves identifying potential threats and taking steps to mitigate those risks. Protecting your wealth requires proactive planning and a long-term perspective. By prioritizing financial education and staying informed, you can safeguard your assets and ensure a more secure financial future. Section 4, The Power of Passive Income, Creating Financial Freedom. One of the most alluring aspects of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is its emphasis on building passive income streams. Passive income is money you earn from assets that require minimal effort to maintain, allowing you to generate wealth without actively trading your time for money. Think of it like planting a money tree. It requires upfront effort to plant the seed, nurture its growth, and protect it from harm. But once it takes root and flourishes, it bears fruit passive income that you can enjoy without constant toil. Real estate rentals, dividend-paying stocks, and online businesses are just a few examples of passive income streams. By strategically building a portfolio of income-generating assets, you can create a sustainable flow of wealth that provides financial freedom and security. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and a strategic approach. But the rewards are well worth the journey. By harnessing the power of passive income, you can escape the rat race, design a life of freedom, and pursue your passions without financial constraints. Embracing the cash flow quadrant. Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant categorizes how individuals earn income. Understanding your quadrant is crucial for financial freedom. E, employee, working for someone else, trading time for money. S, self-employed. Freelancers and small business owners control their income. B, business owner, owning systems that generate income. I, investor, making money work through assets. Transition from E and S to B and I for asset-generated income. Section 2, The Power of Leverage. Making money work harder for you. Leverage is a powerful tool that can amplify your returns and accelerate your wealth-building journey. It's about using other people's money or resources to increase your buying power and generate higher returns. Rich Dad, Poor Dad emphasizes the importance of understanding and utilizing leverage responsibly to achieve financial success. One of the most common forms of leverage is debt, such as using a mortgage to purchase a rental property. By putting down a relatively small amount of your own money, you control a larger asset that generates income and appreciates in value over time. Leverage can also be applied to other areas of finance, such as investing in stocks on margin or using options contracts. However, it's crucial to remember that leverage magnifies both profits and losses. Before utilizing leverage, it's essential to thoroughly understand the risks involved, have a solid financial plan in place, and seek guidance from experienced financial professionals. When used wisely, leverage can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Section 3. Mastering your money budgeting, saving, and debt management. While investing in assets and building passive income streams are crucial for long-term wealth creation, mastering the fundamentals of personal finance is equally important. Rich Dad, Poor Dad reminds us that financial success begins with managing your money effectively, and that includes budgeting, saving, and handling debt responsibly. Budgeting. Creating a budget allows you to track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate more money towards savings and investments. Saving. Developing a consistent saving habit is crucial for building a financial cushion for emergencies and future goals. Aim to save at least 20% of your income and automate your savings to make it effortless. Debt management. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly derail your financial progress. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible and avoid unnecessary debt that can weigh you down. Remember, mastering your money is about taking control of your finances, making conscious spending choices, and prioritizing savings and investments. By developing sound financial habits, you create a solid foundation for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Section 4. Building your financial dream team, seeking expert guidance. Rich Dad Poor Dad emphasizes that financial success is rarely a solo endeavor. Building a team of trusted advisors can provide invaluable guidance, support, and expertise as you navigate the complexities of wealth creation. Consider assembling a financial dream team that includes financial advisor. A qualified financial advisor can help you create a comprehensive financial plan, develop investment strategies, and navigate complex financial decisions. Real estate agent. If you're venturing into real estate, a knowledgeable real estate agent can help you find properties, negotiate deals, and navigate the intricacies of the real estate market. Accountant. A skilled accountant can handle your tax filings, provide financial advice, and ensure your financial records are in order. Lawyer. A lawyer can provide legal advice, review contracts, and protect your interests in financial transactions. Remember, surrounding yourself with experienced professionals can save you time, money, and potential headaches in the long run. Don't be afraid to seek expert guidance and leverage their knowledge to make informed decisions and accelerate your path to financial success. Section 1. The Rich Dad Legacy, Embracing Financial Freedom. As we conclude our exploration of Rich Dad Poor Dad, it's crucial to remember that this book isn't just about financial strategies, it's a call to action. It's about challenging conventional wisdom, questioning the status quo, and taking control of your financial destiny. It's about realizing that financial freedom isn't a privilege reserved for the wealthy few, but an achievable goal for anyone willing to embrace the Rich Dad philosophy. Throughout this video, we've delved into the core principles that form the foundation of financial success, understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, harnessing the power of investing, building multiple streams of income, and adopting an entrepreneurial mindset. These principles, when applied consistently and diligently, can transform your relationship with money and pave the path towards lasting financial independence. Remember, financial freedom isn't about amassing vast riches. It's about having the freedom to design a life on your own terms. It's about having the financial security to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, give back to your community, and experience life without the constraints of financial worry. The journey towards financial freedom might seem daunting at times, but remember this: you don't have to be a financial expert to start. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Section 2, your journey starts now, taking action and building your rich life. Knowledge without action is meaningless. It's time to put what you've learned into practice. Review your finances, set clear goals, and educate yourself continuously. Seek guidance from financial mentors. Don't be afraid to start small. Invest in your financial education. Gradually build your asset portfolio. Consistency is key. Embrace the process, celebrate your successes, and strive for financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more engaging content.